Hi guys, welcome back to the Chef on Two Wheels. So start with the ingredients. We'll be needing 3 eggs, 225 grams of raw sugar, 150 grams of plain flour, 125 grams of unsalted butter, half a tablespoon of vanilla. I'll be using vanilla essence, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 200 grams of white chocolate. We'll be melting half of it, 100 grams, and then half will be for our filling, 100 grams of pecan nuts, and 50 grams of dried cranberries. So just put a bain-marie, just put a bowl over hot water and melt our unsalted butter. So I'll be using 125 grams of unsalted butter, 100 grams of white chocolate, and we'll just melt this. So while we're waiting for our white chocolate to melt and our butter, I'll add our dry ingredients. 150 grams of flour. I'll put in our baking powder and our salt together. Just put it aside. We will preheat our oven to 180 degrees Celsius, and I'll be using a 8 by 8 inches baking pan that I lined with baking paper. Make sure we put an overhang so it's easier later to take out the blondie. And to our mixture, we'll add our sugar, raw sugar. Should be good with our water bath. And we'll put in our vanilla essence. And add our eggs one by one. Then we'll put in our dry ingredients. Just the flour, salt, and baking powder. We'll put some in first. Give it a good whisk. Put in our flour, our dry ingredients, a little bit at a time. That way we don't have lumps. That's what we're looking for. Then we'll put in our pecan nuts, our cranberries, dried cranberries, and our white chocolate. Fold it up. And this goes into our pan. Put it in the middle. Just give it a good tap. So this goes in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes to 35 minutes. So it's been 30 minutes. And then we'll just check our blondie if it's done. Just insert a skewer. If it comes out wet, yeah, it's still wet. So put it back in for another, let's say 5 minutes. And so after 35 minutes in the oven, our blondie is cooked. So we'll just let it cool down before we portion it. And there you go. This is our blondie. Thanks for watching. Paalam. Mmm.